So you people are sleeping in this palace. Let's assume now kidnappers enter this palace and kidnap me. Don't you people know that you people are meant to be guiding me? You people are paid for this. Ndala.
So someone can't rest for you again in this palace.
Just because our king asked you to take care of everything in this palace. That's why you're disturbing everybody. You can't even allow us to eat or drink or touch all this.
I'm talking and you are talking about ma. Ijele wine. Could you have anything to say?
Joe, we know why we are leaving you.
I know you can.
If not,
I know.
Take your time. You're looking for our trouble.
Be outside. Oh. Now I will tell you why they call me Joe, the chief guard. By the power bestowed on me as the chief guard of this palace, I command you people to kneel down.
Let's go.
Never go. Gotta go home. Can't see you. Jojo, the chief guard is one. Look over here. Come on. One Joe Master, get me Alamo bitter with shingom sweet. Chocolate.
Yes. You sent for me. What is it?
Shoma, consider me. Shoma, give me this thing.
What thing?
Shoma, that thing. Let me just use style and show you where that thing is. Shoma, I know how to watch. I'm on myself. I can watch.
What is going on there?
No, I'm coming. You can now go. I will explain to him, okay? Okay.
What do you want to explain?
See, let me tell you. Do you know Shoma is the winch we have in this palace? Do you know all this bad dream that you have been telling me? Shoma is the one.
Behind it?
Yes. So let me tell you, as I'm talking to you now, Shoma is the problem. In short, I know you have family problem. Shoma is half of the family problem.
But let me tell you, the king must hear this. All the atrocities you've been committing in this palace. The king must hear this.
No, go with your
Continue.
No, everybody, share your problem. Go with your problem. Go. I'm trying to help your life. Go gay. Shoma.
Put you for wahala. That's how it be. Them not go put you for palava. That's how it is. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing. No, now you go enjoy.
Anita.
Right at the pick of time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go.
Can I have a word with you?
Wait. Is it about your ghost son in America who you're looking for a suitable wife for? Is it?
Anyway, I was not...
Wait, hold on. Don't say a word. Let me give you a piece of advice. You need a psychiatrist. Because as I'm looking at you, you are crazy. You are mad. You look demented. In fact, you are mad. Get some help.
Good things of life comes in disguise, brother. Good things of life
John. Hi. Old man servant or nephew?
Wow, well, I'm impressed. Precious, I need to know that you know my name.
We are living in a small town, you know.
Well, I'm actually new in the town, except you decide to be very close to me and you can show me around the town.
See, I'm sorry, but I'm not interested in your nephew in America.
I was not about to talk to you about my cousin in America.
Oh.
Why would you say that?
You see, your uncle is not well, and your so-called cousin in America is just out of imagination.
Excuse me? My uncle is not well. Why would you say such a thing? Of course my uncle is well. He's fine. And yes, he has a son in America.
See, please save me the salivas. I am not interested in your cousin in America.
Good things of life, comes in disguise, brother. Good things of life, comes in disguise,
Papa, don't shoot me. Hey, yeah. Just from you. Hey, it's not for you. You'd have brought it down now.
Uncle?
Welcome. Right. Just 5 again. 3, 2, 8.
Uncle? Yes. You know, Precious thinks you need to see a psychiatrist.
Why would I need a psychiatrist?
Because she thinks you made up the whole story of my cousin in America. She thinks you don't even have a son, not to talk of having a son who is outside the country.
It's Anita and her friend who is spreading those rumors. I don't even know what their problem is.
My dear, everybody is entitled to their own opinion. Okay?
Uncle Kafo, you are right. But not to the extent of defaming someone's character. It's not fair.
Forget them. Let me focus on my game, please.
Obvious now have a lawyer.
Please stop. Do you know how to come and join us?
Sorry, I'll just watch you.
Just don't think about it. Those guys are too troublesome. Ski 5. This one have gone inside, right?
No.
Look out for trying to shoot me. 6-5 is
6-5. We play 6 and 5 now.
I know. 6-5 is 1 now.
No, I don't play like that. That's not how you play.
Mama Esther. Hey. Anita, how are you?
I'm going to the market. Mama Esther, if you know what your daughter has been doing in your absence, you'll be dragging her to the market with you. I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Mama Esther, don't you know that your daughter has been sleeping with that old man Uncle Okafo? No. I know my daughter very well. She cannot do such a thing. Mama Esther, I saw them do that day with my 2 naked eyes, romancing and kissing each other. Yes, Mama. Let me tell you, I say things with proof, and I don't say what I don't know. Go and ask her if I'm lying. Hey, thank you. I'm coming back. Come in.
I saw it there, and I go give you heat and pimple. I saw it be, and I go put you for wahala. I saw it there, and I go put you for palava. I saw it be, make you marry your blessing, marry your blessing, no.
Esther! Huh? Esther, tell me, what have I done to deserve all this from you? What have I done this time? Esther, what is going on between you and the old man here? Don't lie to me. Mama, why will I lie to you? Why will I lie to you? Have I ever lied to you before? Anita saw you romancing and kissing with this old man, and here you are telling me you have nothing with him. No, Mama. Anita is lying. I didn't do such a thing. Anita is lying. I can't do it. Listen, I don't want to ever see you anywhere close to this old man. If I do, you have me to contend with.
Anita!
Anita! Alice!
Open your eyes, open your ears, you see nothing.
Anita! 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 Go out there! Anita! Listen, what do you tell my mother about me? What kind of stupid question is that? How do you lie to my mother about me, Anita? So you have the ghost to face me? Oh, you have ghost to say problem! You have what is the problem? You see? Hey, enough!
It's okay now. Easy. It's enough. Come, let's go. Please. Enough. Come on, Esther. I know you as a lawyer, not as a fighter. What's going on?
Esther, why are you fighting with Anita?
Uncle Kaf, can you imagine? Imagine Anita telling my mother that I am having... I'm even ashamed to say it. I can't even say it.
I know what she said. She told your mother that you're having an affair with my uncle, right?
What? You also know about that?
I know what she's been spreading everywhere. You know what's going on. No, easy now. It's not. It's not enough for you to be stressing yourself like this. I mean, you're an adult. My uncle is also an adult. If you like the man and it's nothing there. Come on, it's nothing. It's a free world. I mean, we're adults. See? Okay, look at it.
Esther! Anita! Esther! Is your mom around?
No.
What about your dad?
I'm the only one at home. Any problem?
Esther, see, I don't like what they're saying about you. Can you just stop following that old man around? You are too young for bad names and gossips.
Are you done? If you don't have anything reasonable to say, why don't you shut up your mouth?
Esther, you know I like you so much. And I'm just being concerned about you, that is all.
Thank you for your concern. I can see you don't have anything doing. Of course you are not busy. That is why you are here for an idle talk. If you don't mind, I'm inside. I'm very, very busy inside. Esther! Let me help you. I want to help you.
Or by force.
Two. Here.
Here. No what?
He will shoot you. Esther! Esther, how many times did I call you? Mama, you called me 4 times.
Mama Esther, you're welcome.
Oh yeah, follow me. Welcome.
What kind of a woman is this? And she has such a wonderful daughter. Esther, woman must be demented in the head, or she must be demonic. But let's go back to the game before, because I'll make sure you lose this game.
Hey, double tara!
Didn't I tell you I do not want to see you anywhere close to Mr. Kafa and his nephew? But Mama, it's not what you think. Then tell me, what were you doing out there with Okaf and his nephew? I was only... Don't worry, until your father comes back.
Try to pick up time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. You are still the one and the only one for me.
There is something I want to tell you. Please. I want you and your friends to mind your business. I want you people to stop gossiping with my name. I am begging you, please.
Wait. Are you talking to me?
No, are you talking to me? How dare you? Why? Just tell me, why are you talking to me? Even in that manner. Are you mad? You are the one to mind your business. Listen! You should mind your business! Listen! I don't want! Precious! It's only emptiness that makes the most noise! I am warning you people to stay away from me! Stay away from me! Stop gossiping with my name!
Can you imagine? This stupid girl telling me to learn how to mind my business? Hey! Precious, you don't have to blame her. You don't have to. Can't you see that old blood runs in her vein? Are you not seeing it?
Esther, you are very stupid. Are you actually warning us? Anyway, I don't blame you. I can see that stupidity runs in your vein. You are sick upstairs. Why are you taking painkiller for my own pain? You are sick upstairs. You are warning us. Why are you taking painkiller for my own pain? Leave me alone. Precious. Esther, you are mad. You are mad. You are with her old man. Esther! Precious kid. Leave this man. Do you see this, Esther? Don't worry. Hey! Rubbish.
Everything gonna flow, and nobody go from this go. I don't wanna give you low. This is once in a lifetime. What am I go leave it? Go leave it. No,
Precious.
Cancel.
Okay, Faith. Yes.
Take it.
Naomi.
Yes. Take it.
And then Esther.
Esther.
Take it. Yes. So it means that Faith, Naomi, and Esther are under observation.
Exactly. The rest, cancel.
At the end of the day, it is not an exercise in futility. You know, it was an exercise well done. Jason, John Jason. My nephew John Jason. It is too much. Roll.
Right at the nick of time, I have found you. Until the very end, I will love you. I will never ever make you cry. I'll never let you down.
Unbelievable.
What is it?
How can you be sleeping with a man as old as Okafor? Hey! You should have at least done it with that is fine Bobo servant now. John. Papa.
Precious, mind your tongue and also mind your business.
I thought you were close to the old man because of his son in America. I never knew you had your eyes on the old man himself.
Are you giving me the card or not?
You. Which one do you want?
200.
Okay. See, take your card. See, old blood is not good for you.
Give me the card now.
Take your card now. See, old blood is not good for you. You will just get older than your age. I'm just saying. Sorry. I'm just advising you. You're not ashamed of yourself. Are you not ashamed?
I boy you now when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer the question because you're not ready.
Good morning.
Ah, Faith. Good morning. You've been quite scarce these days.
Oh yes, my job. I'm even looking for another one that is less stressful.
Oh. Okay, like?
Anyone.
I wish I had a job to give to you now, but I don't have. But don't worry, you'll find, yeah?
Thank you.
So, when will you be coming back? I'd like to talk to you.
Okay, that should be around 9 p.m.
9? Yes. Okay, I'll see you then. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
But wife not many. Until you're ready to settle down, you never understand, oh. So I go through the hills and mountains to find the one for me, the one for me. I will search through the million faces to choose the only one, the only one. And so I did Johnny, I beg you pray for me, for me.
Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Papa Esther! Please come.
What is that? Who's coming? I want custody.
I'll go through the hills and valleys to find the one for me, the one for me. Cause in the end, she's still the best of me.
Esther's relationship with this old man and his nephew is really making me uncomfortable. I've told Esther to stop seeing them, yet she will not listen. Please, I want you to do something about it.
What is wrong with that?
Everything.
Like what?
My husband, people are saying that Esther is having something to do with this man.
What? A man that is old enough to be her father?
Oh.
Esther! Esther! Come out here!
Esther!
Esther, what do you have with this old man?
You mean Uncle Okafor?
Stop calling him uncle! Okafor is not my brother.
Papa, I have nothing with him. I swear I have nothing with him. It is Anita who is spreading this rumor about me. I don't have anything with him.
Look, Esther, I don't want to see you around him again. If I do, I'll send you to the village. Do you hear me? Come on, get out here. Did you hear him? I talk to you about my daughter in Ezusu. How about you? You better not have him anymore.
Èmi ni tí o kejì ipò bèbí àkwà. Èmi ni tí o kejì dàpọ̀ bèbí ìfẹ́. Ìsúsọ́nù sọ̀padà èmi ní ti àrò. Ṣolúgọ́dí káwòrán ní tí a bèbí yẹ wá pọ̀ bẹ̀tẹ̀ra kò múra. Give me to me baby. Give me to me. How far now? I better wait. If I need ticket, you put baby aqua. One day we need ticket, you not put baby fair. This is one so one day we need to out. I'm not going to go everything.
Go give you heat and pimple. I saw it there. I'm not gonna put you for wahala.
Baby yo, baby yo.
Make you marry your blessing, marry your blessing, marry your blessing. No.
Hey, old man, see, I don't like your face. Guy, Mohammed man, smile. Now this man will leave with you, man. What's going on? Guy, Mohammed, listen, guys. Shit, mama, you wait for me. Baby, yo! Baby, I need to get that baby.
Oh, yeah. Right at the pick up time, I will find you. If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between.
Welcome. Wonders shall never end. Son, do you know that fate has a male visitor? I wonder who he could be. Maybe family, maybe friend.
Sometimes I wonder why.
I think he's our boyfriend.
Huh?
I saw them kissing right there.
No. Her name is off the list. Automatically, her name is off the list. I can't believe this. I saw him fondling her. You know, they were just exhibiting indecent exposure. You know, I have so much regard for that girl. And I'm supposed to smile. He's calling me Iruefi. What is Iruefi? You don't know. Anyway, that leaves us with Naomi and Esther. She's off the list. Hey.
If not the will of God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Good afternoon. Can I have a word with you, please?
Uncle Capo, I'm running late. Please, let's talk later.
The way you done make me feel, you done set my love on fire. Sometimes I wonder why I know Mary before. But I know what I realize, say now we love God. Right now we can celebrate all of our lifetime. Cause yes, I found the one who complements my lifestyle. What am I go leave it when you're mine.
Oh God, please save me from Uncle Capo's son proposal. I don't want.
Naomi, what is wrong with you? Why are you talking to yourself?
I was praying.
Praying about what?
Is it Uncle Capo? He said he wants to talk to me, and I'm praying to God for him not to tell me about that his son in America. I don't want.
Tell him you don't want now. Or is it by force? Wait, do you prefer talking to yourself on the street like a mad woman?
Naomi, you don't understand. You see, I don't want to hurt his feelings at all. I don't want it. That's why I'm just avoiding him.
Anyway, I know you can handle it. Is your sister around?
Yeah, she's inside. Okay.
I'll never ever give you hour. I'll never let you down. So can we slide? Can we check it out?
Wait, what in the world? Because I believe you. I want to. Hey! You should stop. Stop now. You should stop fighting. It's not good. You will enjoy yourself now. Hey, stop it. Take your slippers. Just go.
John, who's telling you not to stop? Ochaka Omaka.
Look at this fool. Mad girl like you. Have you solved the problem that you have at home?
Mbakwa, she have not even solved anyone. How can she solve it when she's busy following that old man in their compound? Up and down. You vow. If you kiss her. Who is the problem or sister? Why? Who called?
Next time I'm fighting, this girl come and they talk to me like this. What I will do to her, she will know, she will regret it.
When I'm busy doing something important, like fighting, she came here with her coconut head, want to stop us. Where do we stop that time?
Because they hold you for that now.
Because I must make sure say I bury you today. I will bury you today. So na leg you hold me.
Na leg na.
Sure say no be for back.
No, na this one, na this leg.
Na back.
Face me where my hold you.
Na for
this
leg.
Na this leg.
Hold me for the leg. So wait, no be like that. So that if you say you go fuck up, we go not say me and you will not be met. If they click, go say I dey leave you because of this girl. Say if I not give you today, okay, no go not say. See, let me tell you, forget everything people are saying about me. I'm in charge. I'm the next in line after the king. Oh mama, can't you see the way that the king said that my chief guard, I want you to take in charge of this palace after you and me.
See, Julinte, I don't want to put myself into a problem. Can't you understand?
No, calm down. You are not putting yourself into any problem. I'm in charge. All you have to do is follow me. Follow me. I will better your life from what? From good to bad. It's a mistake. Calm down. From bad to good.
Are you sure?
500% short. 100% sure.
Okay.
Let me tell you now. Do you know what you do for me now? Follow me to the guest house. I have something meant for the princess. Halabobo princess Eba. Let me give it to you.
Furry. Yes. Okay, let's go now.
Yes. Ladies first. But before then, Moberu Puga. You know I like being at the back. Then just come give me this your small waist. I'm trying to. I'm trying to develop. That Joseph the carpenter was deported from Canada.
Yes.
You understand? When Jesus came to the case,
Joe, forget that thing. This is a good soft work. Okay. Joe, the Joe. The Joe.
Let me tell you, I'm in charge. See, let me tell you, when I will become the new king, I will make you the Lord, because I know he's no family don't know. I go there. You came from a very poor. See this boy. I will tell this guy no more with the sheep cash. When the man make different at this palace, I will do with you.
Okay, when you're done with this one, just. Yeah, just make sure you do this is properly. Nice job. Nice job.
I have an important message for you. A message for you.
Message from who?
Yeah, from the king, our king.
Okay, you both can take your leave now. Okay, I'll call you back. So what's this? Is this the message from the king?
Choma, let me tell you, take it easy. Because from here we are going to the bed. When we go to the bed, Shoma, you can be hard on me. One may walk. Give me styles.
And I'm asking you again, is this the message from the king?
See, Shoma, let me tell you. You know I love you. Shoma, I like you. All I want from you is just to say yes, I will change your life. Shoma, I will make the plan. I want to take you to London to go and see the Queen Elizabeth. From there, we can go to China. Do you know why I want us to go to China? I want you to learn pussy style. Meow! 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 You know what? So we can fight anybody that wants to. Wajima Canalogis. Shoma.
Esther, good morning.
Uncle Kafo, good morning, sir.
Don't pretend as if you didn't see me.
Sorry, I was in a hurry. That's why.
To where?
To the market.
We'll see later.
I noticed Esther's in my body.
It's been 3 days. 3 days running. She's doing the same thing. To me too. Why? I don't know. I wish I could tell you.
You need to find out.
I'll do that when she comes back. There must be something wrong. Something has to be wrong. I've been very good friends with this girl. She's a wonderful person. All of a sudden, her attitude, her demeanor changes towards me. There's something sinister somewhere. We'll find out. Yes.
You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready. Woman are plenty, but wife not many. Until you're ready to settle down, you never understand.
Customers in my shop are always annoying. So will come in once this one. And they will tell you, tell them you don't have change. We'll start talking nonsense.
Yeah, that is customers. Wait. Precious, don't you think that this matter concerning Esther and that old man is getting out of hand?
So you know, Esther is very stupid. I mean, how can Esther be going out with that old man? How?
Well, I'm even thinking that she's sleeping with the old man's cousin as well.
Is it possible? It's possible, yes. Because for Esther to be able to sleep with that old man, that means she's sleeping with the cousin. You're right. Because for Esther to be able to sleep with that old man, that means she's sleeping with the cousin too. But this is really baffling.
Strange. Well, but I don't know. But I'm not sure Esther can do such things,
She's still the best of me, the one for me.
Esther! Esther! Esther!
Esther, wait.
No. What is it? I've been calling you from the road.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Wow. Why have you been avoiding us?
Avoiding you? No, just that I've been...
See, don't even lie. I know you very well. You don't know how to lie. What is the problem?
The truth is that my parents don't want me around you again.
Why?
It's because of the rumor that Anita has been spreading about me.
Wow. Anyway, I'm really very sorry. Huh?
It's okay.
I'll talk with Esther.
And
her parents don't want her around us anymore.
Is it because of the rumor?
Yes.
In that case, I have to talk to the mother. You see, they are making that girl feel bad. She's a wonderful personality. And such rumors can mess with your emotion. Enemies of progress.
Johnny, I beg you pray for me. I would go through these hills and valleys to watch you smile, watch you smile.
Anybody home?
How may I help you?
Good day, my master.
Good day, Mr. Okafor.
I have come to see you.
Yes?
You see, I am here on behalf of your daughter Esther. Because I am a parent also. I don't want you to crucify your daughter or blame her based on gossip and rumor from people around you. Esther is a wonderful girl. I will never in my wildest dream phantom the idea of laying my hands on her or sleeping with her. She is like a daughter I never had. But I have a son.
I've heard you, Mr. Okafor.
Good. So, will I be able to see her as before? Will you still permit her to come around and spend time with me?
No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Boy, you know when you want Mali. Now who you want Mali? You might just not answer these questions because you're not ready.
Is John around?
No.
But he wanted to see me.
Huh? Forget it, please.
I hope all is well.
Yes.
So I go through the hills and mountains to find the one for me, the one for me. I will search through the million faces to choose the only one, the only one. And so I did, Johnny, I beg you pray for me, for me. I got my way.
Dikeh, my friend. How are you? Dikeh, my friend.
Come and sit down. You are welcome. You are always welcome to my house.
Yes. Do you know why I am here today?
But every time you come to visit me, is there a special reason you come today?
Yes, of course. Dikeh, who is that old man that is causing trouble around our vicinity, including your compound? In fact, you are the one harboring him.
Eh? Wait. So I will not harbor somebody that has paid me house rent? Yeah. Nza. If you were not my friend, I would have said you are a small monkey.
And you are a big snake. Get away from here. Fact, people are talking, and you are involved.
I know people are talking. Stop this violence now. Calm down. Calm down. I know people are talking. And because he lives in my house, I am involved. But don't worry. Don't worry. I know how to handle the matter.
Bad snake. Okay, go. Enter your house and bring those things you have in your house.
Hell, which things do I have in my house?
You know.
Like this?
Yes, of course.
Zababule.
Go and bring them. Then I will tell you that I'm the little bird that you kill elephants. I will bring you down.
Do you know, sometimes you scare me. Wait. Listen to me. I am your friend. Look at your necklace. Look at the kind of necklace. And you call yourself Zababule.
I'm the little bird that kill elephants. Go and do what I say. Bring those things you have.
Zababule.
I'll bring you down.
Anita, Naomi, Anita,
Papa.
Naomi.
Papa.
Where is Anita?
Papa, she went out.
Sit down. My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I want to give you an advice. Even though your sister is not at home, when she comes back, tell her what I said. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Naomi, I want you and your sister to live a good life, like your father. I don't want you to be running after old men, like Esther. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Do you hear what I have said?
Yes, Papa. Papa, don't worry. You see, the man that is going to marry me, as soon as he comes, I will ask him to bring down this house and build a very beautiful house for you.
You see why I call you a small monkey? You want him to bring down this house? Don't you know that my father's 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 father left this house for my father's father's father? And my father's father's father left this house for my father's father. You are confusing me. Then my father's father left it for my father. And then my father left it for me. And I want to leave it for you and your sister. This is our ancestral home. Can they build another house somewhere? There is plenty space here.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll make you proud. And please stop comparing me to Esther. I don't like it. You know I cannot follow old men now.
I know. But if you see old man that have money, you follow him. You follow him. Go and bring my food.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you? Come now, come and sit.
Esther, why didn't I see you yesterday?
My dear, I just decided to stay at home.
Why?
Are you asking me? Do you know what I go through out there? Do you know what I go through every day? Please, I just have peace here. Please.
Esther, so you are still thinking about this matter? I've told you to forget about what people say. So long as your conscience is clear, follow your heart and forget about what every other person says. Please.
Anyway, meet my friend. We're on our way to the market. But you know, there's no way I'll pass your house without stopping to see, to greet you.
What's the name of your friend?
This is Amaka.
Amaka, come now.
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Don't worry. My friend told me everything about you. It's going to be alright.
No problem. Thank you very much. Thanks. I'm happy that you came.
Yeah, I'm happy too. Anyway, we have to go on our way now. We're going to the market. I'll check on you later in the evening on my way back. Okay, let's go.
Let me see you people off now.
Okay.
At least I can go to the gate.
Let's go.
Are you back?
Yes, Uncle Papa. That reminds me. What is it you want to tell me?
Can we go inside and talk?
I hope it's not about your marriage proposal for your long-gone son.
Unfortunately, yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll come and see you later.
Brother, good things of life comes in disguise. Best things in life are free and simple.
Oh, Naomi, come, let's go now.
I'm not gonna give you heat and
just let me go check if that old man is outside. Can't you see nobody's outside? What is it?
I don't want him to start telling me about his son in America, marriage this, marriage that. I don't want to hear that story. Just let me check it, please. Check.
Why?
I pity that old man. I don't want to hurt his feelings. Can't you see?
Okay, don't worry.
Just check. I didn't say you want to quarrel. Please, just check for me,
Uncle Okafor! Open this door!
Comes in disguise.
Open this door!
Easy, I'm coming.
Comes in disguise.
What's wrong? I'm here to give you a message to your old man. Tell him my sister is afraid to come out because of his marriage proposal on behalf of his godson in America. Tell him my sister and I are not interested.
Okay, I'll tell him.
One more thing. Anytime he sees us passing, please he should pretend as if he did not see us.
Okay. Any other thing?
Come, let's go. Let's go, my friend. What were you discussing with John? I warned him to tell his uncle to stay off you. I did not ask you to go and quarrel with anybody. I only asked you to check the road for me. My friend, let's go. I only asked you to just check. Don't fail.
Good things of life comes in disguise.
I have a message for you.
From who?
From the almighty Anita.
Huh. And what is it all about?
She said Naomi cannot come out again.
But why?
Because she's afraid you may start talking about the marriage proposal for your son in America.
It's a shame. Anyway, that leaves us with Esther as the only one on the list. I think it's wise we go ahead and propose to her. Yes. They say a bird in hand is worth a million in the bush. Oh, from Bolodala Johnny is Yogo. Kaijebenoge. Yakuchia. But
I called you all here for a reason. I'm aware that that old fool that calls himself Mr. Okafor is trying to deceive all of you regarding his stupid ghost son that lives in America. I don't even know if the young man exists or not. I want you guys to do something for me.
And if I may ask, what is that?
Anytime he comes near you, insult him. In fact, insult him to his bone marrows.
Hunter, you don't have a problem with that. Because as for me, I'm not only going to insult them, but I'm also going to insult the living hell out of them. Just watch and see. See, all this you guys are saying is none of my business. All I know is that I am going to deal with them mercilessly. I will make life so miserable for them and make a caricature of them. Useless people, scammers like them. Oh girls, I'm so sorry to disappoint you girls. I'm not interested. You see, I don't want to hurt the old man's feelings. That's what I'm going to do to them.
The more you look, the less you see. You have come again with your own.
And so up in your mind, feel free. Let your blessings start. Let your blessings. Best things in life are free and simple. So you there, I'm not gonna give you heat and pimple. That's how it be. I'm not gonna put you for wahala. That's how it there. I'm not gonna put you for palava. That's how it be. Make you marry your blessing. Marry your blessing, no, now you go enjoy. If you carry your hand on, throw away your blessing, no, now you sabi.
Yeah, Naomi! Naomi!
Papa!
How can you serve me food without meat? Do you know that is an abomination? Do you know the gods of our land are angry with you as I speak? Do you know that?
Papa, when you were leaving this house, how much did you give to me?
I gave you a whooping sum of 500 naira.
500 naira?
Yes.
And you are expecting a good meal with me, Tabi?
I have always known that you are a small monkey.
What? Take your rice. Give me my money. Take your rice, I'll give you my money.
You eat the food though.
I will not hear that. You say my money cannot cook food that have meat. Give me my money. Take your food.
Papa, eat your food. There is no money. Eat it. It's your food.
Yeah, Naomi! No!
God, I go marry you. I don't even care about what people have to say. Anybody can say a word, but only you are here. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly in between. Yet you are still the one.
You have until 200 naira.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, precious.
Where is John or Esther? You came to buy credit by yourself.
I just decided to take a stroll. Is it a crime?
You decided to take a stroll at your age.
At what age? You want to try me?
Sorry, I would just... It's okay. It's good to make us to do exercises. At your age, it's okay. How much car did you say you want to buy?
200 naira.
Okay, sorry. Carry on.
That man
going? Is he not the king of Asaba? Which man going where? See, that old man going there. I have heard a lot about the king of Asaba, and that old man going there is obviously not the king of Asaba. It's him! I know him! You see, that old man going there is Uncle Okafu, and he stays in the same compound with Anita, my friend. So he's not the king of Asaba. Say what you know. Hey! That means they look much alike. Madam, do you want to buy a card? No. Oh, you don't want to buy a card. You came to gossip. You people should leave me in this place, so you should just leave me alone.
Family to come and celebrate, yeah. Everything gonna flow, and nobody go from this go. I don't wanna give you low. This is once in a lifetime. What am I go leave it, no room, yeah. Outside in my go leave it, mind your mind.
Just look at the way she turned herself into a slave. Just because of Uncle Kafo's son in America. Hi! My sister, some girls are shameless. I wonder what this will turn into. What are you saying? You and I know that nothing good can come out of them. Nothing. Or can something good come out of them? Oh. Nothing good can come out of them. Nothing.
Where is Anita? Anita! Anita, oh, come outside! Anita, oh, better person, come outside!
And now I don't realize, you know we love God. And now we can celebrate.
You know, Mr. Okafor is living this kind.
Precious, he's even living with Esther and her parents, so what for?
We claimed that his son is back in America. He's coming to take him away.
It is when the old man will use them for ritual that they will know what they did to themselves.
It's okay. Who told you guys that old man is a ritualist? This young people will sit here and that man will slice you up. Just sit here and be talking.
Shut up!
Yeah, you grab that guy.